The following public service announcement is brought to you courtesy of Man Up Jamaica, sponsored by Live Well Jamaica, an open letter to the young men of Jamaica. Dear young men, you were created with purpose, and in this life you shall excel. So don't let any form of negativity let you lose your faith or doubt yourself. Believe in yourself. Never forget how truly amazing you are. There is power in you. There is power in your words and how you view yourself. Focus on the power of positive thinking. Your mindset is the key to your success. Your only limit is yourself. Regardless of the hardships, remember, none of it defines you. Fortify your mind. Nothing can stop you unless you allow it. Respect yourself. Believe in yourself. Never give up on yourself. Man up Jamaica.